Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see these earbuds here. Now you need to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have update firmware, so you just click on it. Firmware is the same as software, and as you can see it checked and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just click to download a new one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.